Programming your Chevy Equinox key fob allows you to control vehicle functions like locking and unlocking doors and starting the engine. This process, called remote pairing, syncs the fob's signal with your car's computer. There are two main methods: manual pairing for pre-2018 models and app-based pairing for 2018 and newer models equipped with OnStar. It's crucial to use a compatible key fob designed for your Equinox's year and trim to avoid issues. New Equinox models offer enhanced integration with the My Chevrolet app, launched in 2019 and updated through 2025, enabling remote pairing via smartphone for 2018 and newer models. Perform programming in a secure location and ensure your vehicle is in park with all doors closed. If pairing fails, a weak battery, CR22, is a common culprit. For 2022-2025 models, Chevrolet releases OTA updates to enhance key fob security against hacking, such as improved AES 256 encryption.